मैं सोच रहा था कि थोड़ा व्लॉगिंग टाइप का भी करूँगा बट व्लॉगिंग में नहीं कर पाया. सो दिस गाइज आर कमिंग बट तभी तक के लिए थोड़ा ये नज़ारा देख लीजिए. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. हम लोग को एक जगह मिल गया फाइनली. दिस इज़ लाइक वन ब्यूटीफुल लेक. और द इंटरव्यू का जो लास्ट पार्ट है वो यहीं पे हम लोग करेंगे. सो कमिंग द लास्ट फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फॉर द इंटरव्यू. Lately, I was getting too many queries about graphic designing as a career, and I felt that this topic is too big for only one person to cover. So I teamed up with two of my buddies, Bhaskar and Suripto. Bhaskar is a film school graduate and has professional work experience of more than 10 years in cities like Kolkata and Bangalore. On the other hand, Suripto is a communication design expert working in Bangalore with an experience of almost a decade and also was closely associated to events like Metropolis Asia and Zero Music Festival. On an early Sunday morning, we went to a lake that is not too far from our residence and tried to figure out graphic designing as a career and beyond. And I'm Shamim, a graphic designer and a video editor by profession with experience of working in print, publication and digital mediums. And you are watching The Mockless Talk. So here we are in the last phase of this interview, of this video actually. It's more than an interview, it's a discussion. My question to Bhaskar and Surito is that if somebody does a 9 to 5 job, then what can be their life structure and how it is different from our current life structure. I'm not saying anything bad or good. It's just I'm giving you the point of view because it is very important. I'm making this video for newcomers who wants to do graphic designing. So it will be a very new take and very new viewpoint on that same topic. So Bhaskar, like what will be your take on 9 to 5? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? How it like applies to our job?
See, 9 to 5 job, I will not say it's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Only thing is, in our kind of profession, it is little hard, to get such kind of a job. Probably there are agencies or there are places where you will have that kind of timings, but most of the creative agencies or advertising, the field is so impulsive and things come out like idea आया या फिर ये news आया, probably if we include media also, ये news आया, ये breaking news है, वो breaking news है. 9 to 5 job or that kind of life is myth as far as I know. But having said that, it's completely not a bad thing to have that kind of a job. That lifestyle shouldn't be a hindrance for you to excel in your career. That just because my job is not 9 to 5, I don't like this job, or after just because it is past 6 or 7, I will not work tonight. That shouldn't be the case because it is your job. Sometimes you have to do it. In our case, most of the time we do it, but it's completely your choice.
Surito will give us a very interesting perspective. I know that.
9 to 5, yeah, it's a good thing because recently I joined a new organization which works in that model, which is a good thing and a bad thing also. But I'll go a little back, now it all depends on scenario, what stage you are in. Like when we started our work, it was a 9 to 5 job only, but it's not that you have to be it's a fixed time that 5 o'clock the works get over. At the initial stage, you have to work hard. As I said previously also, I said, in our job, time should not be the factor कि मेरे को ये 2 बजे खत्म करना है कि 3 बजे खत्म करना है. It's there, but you cannot start a designing keeping in mind that I have 1 hour, so I'll finish this design in 1 hour. So it can't be. It can be done in 5 minutes also. It can be done in 5 hours also, depending on your requirement. So it's all depends on where are you, what is the scenario, what is the situation. There will be days where there will be no work. What you're going to do then? Are you going to go back home? No, right? You have to sit till 6 o'clock.
Research.
So that's the time you do something else. But there will be situation when you have to do, like you have to push harder. You have to go 2-3 hours extra. That time you have to do. You cannot say that 6 baj gaya, I have to go, I have to shut down. So in our job, time is the secondary. Your creativity, your passion is, if you're a designer, passion need to be there by default, what exactly. I feel. So Passion should not be like,
Or-
I am passionate and all.
Or
It's
ekbar
by
you have
default.
started doing job and you are paid for it. It is your responsibility more than your passion. Now it is your responsibility to finish that job.
So that way, I said no. Passion should be streamed toward the responsibility that you have. Your passion should be finishing up the job in time. So there are three, four things that I'll point out. So it will give us a very good idea. That first thing is 9 to 5 might not be the ideal scenario in this field. If you are trying to getting into this field, the 9 to 5 may not be the ideal scenario. It might not
Like-
be.
If you're in publication, if you're working, being a graphic designer, some might be working on a newspaper or any magazine. So then 9 to 5 doesn't work for them. It will be 5 to 9. So it's not like, as I said, time is not a thing. So it's all depends on where are you working, what is the scenario. In that way, you have to think.
But at the same time, I'll add one more thing, that if you are in a 9 to 5 job, that doesn't mean you cannot do something art related or something graphic designer related. If you have, suppose you are a graduate and you want to do graphic designing, then do graphic designing, of course. Learn this craft, be passionate. Then if you are on a job that is 9 to 5, by 9 to 5, what I'm saying that
Fixed time.
that fixed time job, that is, people say curse, no, every day the same thing. That might not be the curse, because after that office, after that hours, you have so much time for yourself, and that is what we all try for. Because if you do a job for a client as well, there also you have a character. Because if Bhaskar does a job, that will give it a different character. If I do, it will give it a different character. If Suripta does, it will give a different character. So you put something from yourself to it, so it becomes your personal. So that's why this thing, that 9 to 5, that's why you put that extra hour to it. So that is how this whole scenario works. So if you are expecting a very typical job life, then it might not be that one. It's all about how you adapt to this lifestyle. It's a complete lifestyle change. It's not only one day, two, or one job, another job, that thing. So I'm coming to the next question, like the second last question. So the same question again, this is the third time. What cinematic software to use for video editing?
As earlier, there is no software for such things. So as I said, so sense of editing is much important than knowing how to cut the video. In our course also, filmmaking course also, people do not teach us. In editing also, probably 2-3 classes will be there to teach the software, and it doesn't matter. There are so many softwares to use, but sense of editing is where to cut, what scene to start the thing and what scene to end the thing, and using transition with that. Like Shamim uses some techniques like with that transition, there will be music to support that, and everything should happen for a reason. Why you are cutting there at that point. Sometimes when we sit with one editor, or Shamim and I edit, we go for frame by frame. Then this frame is right, that frame is not right to cut. That is, I don't know how to explain that. That will come with experience, or probably that sense is already
I
there
think
in you.
you need to make mistakes. That's what I feel.
But you have to
learned
try.
it, until unless you make mistake, and you will until unless you make you will see first attempt will not be good, second attempt. I'm sure Shamim also, when he started doing Kiba Kibi, you don't know what is going to be, right? You don't know what is the video angle. Should I take this angle or not? Now you at least have an idea. Okay, in the first video I did something like this. I should not do something like this. It's going to end. So that's the thing. It's a designing or editing or whatever. It's a learning curve. Like you need to reach that level. Like you have to try, and then only you will reach that level, basically.
And people never ask Rabindranath Tagore what pen he used to write Gitanjali, write those poems, because it is his talent, it is his writing that is good, not the pen. The pen didn't make him write those good. So it is not the camera for a photographer or the editing software. It is him or her that is making the difference.
And it's not like he wrote only Gitanjali. There are before Gitanjali he have written like many books, many things which we don't know. By the time he reached Gitanjali, it was so good that now you know about Gitanjali. Why? Because it's not like Adinota Lekhi Disa types. Right?
He didn't start
He
it
have
with
written like many books. Then he reached that Gitanjali level. Correct. That's how everything is. You have to reach that level.
So actually, when I say no, like when we are talking about is that aesthetic, when you should know all these things, because no, your brain will understand what is wrong in a video or in a photo or anything, but you learn to do it right. That's the thing. Your brain will know what is wrong, but to make it right, you have to learn that thing. And how to learn? I'll give my personal experience. Suppose in editing there are terms like head, tail, L cut, J cut. Okay, Bhaskar learned those things. Ki this cut is called J cut, this cut is called L cut. But I never learned these things. But unknowingly also, I know how aesthetically this happened. I mean, I think L cut is when the sound transitions to the another clip. That is, I think, L cut. And J cut is when the sound ends, then this thing. So, but I never knew these things existed. But I know कि okay, this thing happened because I remember watching a scene from the movie Sholay where they were just talking about the train and the train whistle was already started. So that was the first experience I understood कि okay, that is how you can minimize the effect of the transition. Jump cut. So that is how you are minimizing. So Bhaskar will know that is called this. But I know the aesthetic. So it's very important to observe and know the aesthetics to make anything cinematic. So the problem is we don't do things until and unless we saw that happening. So we need to break that barrier, and as a professional we have to break that barrier each and every day. When we started designing, so we never wanted कि okay, this has happened, we will do something else. At the time our research was कि okay, this can be done, but now our research is like okay, this is already done, what else we can do. So that is the transition. That is, it's all about that learning process, what we have already spoken. So now the last and little bit controversial question, that thing we already have discussed how to do it. So see, my queries I get very anonymously, and it's well spread, like male female queries are alike. But Bhaskar and Sudipto, is this profession has any gender bias or anything related to the gender of the people? This specific profession which we are in, because it can be very demanding in times. So Bhaskar or Sudipto, which one?
Gender, oh my god, it's a very controversial statement. But yeah, it's nothing to do with male, female, you know, it's nothing like that. If you want to be, if you, he or she, whoever is listening to me, if you want to be a good designer, you can be whatever you like to be. But again, but yeah, in this industry I see, like, you know, there are little male dominances there. I don't know why, but because I see girls are also equally talented. My wife is a jewelry designer. She is doing very well. She was doing very well before we got married. Now her priority have changed. Now she doesn't want to. It's not like she dislikes it or she doesn't want to continue. Maybe after 5 years she might do it again. So it's all depends on the priority. What are your passion is. You know, if you want to go further, you can go. Now everyone is equal. It's not like, you know, I have to get married, get kids or anything like that. I have seen there are many people who are with married with children. They are a good designer. They are in my organization only. I can see that. So it's nothing like that. I think it's equal opportunity for both genders, and both of them can flourish equally. It's just, yeah, challenges are different. Like a male will have a different challenge, female will have a different kind of challenge. But yeah, that's how it is. It's not an easy path.
Bhaskar?
So I obviously there is no difference, but I will still, you know, some nitty gritties I will tell you. Challenges while hiring, or you know, during the profession, it is during learning period, there is no difference. But while hiring, we do have queries like will she be able to do late nights? You know, there is concern of safety while going back, and that concern is there sometimes, but I don't think that stops. That is why we make a decision of taking a female employee or not. And I will say during my career, I have been a part of teams, you know, where my head is my creative head is a lady. And probably Sudipto and I were both working during that time together when the creative head was a lady, and we thrived during that time. It is not that learned so much from her. It is not, and people sometimes, I have heard so many times that it is difficult when your boss is a lady. I don't think we've felt anything like that.
No.
Right? There is no ego clash, nothing. If you are understandable, then it is easy, and also Shamim and I both have teams now, and I think most of the best work are coming from the ladies only. Now we are so dependent on them so I don't think there is any difference between that. I don't think there is any difference.
I think it's all about how you take it, because people are good. Like typically, I'll say that people are good because as they mentioned, my first job, my first boss was a lady, and Madhusmita Baido, agar jodi apne sai ase video too, then we were a very big fan of Madhusmita Baido because she was the designer for.
Before Shamim joined Eclectic, we were talking about her, how good, how international the magazine looks, during that time. Quality of design, the layout.
So that is how it is. It's all about how you take it. Like if you are passionate enough, then people are good. There's nothing to. Now after this COVID scene, things have really changed, because now it's not only about staying late in office and working. Now you can go home and work as well. And I think it is here to stay. This scenario will not change for a long time. I feel that, because it's getting convenient for every scenario and every side. So I think that's it, and I hope that you got all your queries done in this video. And I initiated this video in a different thought, but I am ending this video in a different thought, and I think I'll put this video on Mukhlesh Talk segment. So I'll do one nice quote and I'll just put it there. So with that note, if you have any query, then I'll just suggest you that you watch this video completely from start to end. It will be a long video, but if you watch this video completely, then I think 90% of your queries will be resolved in this video. And with that note, if you have liked this video, if you have watched this far to this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video, because I know very upcoming queries are coming up, because seasons are changing, times are changing, people are looking for new opportunities. So please share this video to someone you know that they are also interested in this field, in this profession. And with that note, see you in the next video.
Also, they can comment. We'll be there. We can, if you have any queries, any particular questions you have, me and Bhaskar, Shami will like to, tell you. If however we could, we can give you some guidance in that.
And of course, you can contact Bhaskar and Suripto. I'll put their Instagram here and in the description. Bhaskar, any ending notes?
Payment.
Thank you guys for watching this series. I know this is not a masala or a very entertaining content, but I hope I was able to give you some value out of it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.